Kaizen is a method widely used in many companies in all areas. The translate in Japanese is continuous improvement, and it means that you have to be aware how can be improved all processes and how each person in the company can be contribute. The companies who excel by good use of your Kaizen is Toyota, that makes its goals and objectives into what we must do instead of what we could do. In order to implement the philosophy requires a serious commitment of employees to the company and discipline that involves all members, both senior officers as middle and low position. It also involves all areas of the company. The Toyota production system empowers team members to optimize quality by constantly improving processes and eliminating unnecessary waste in natural, human, and corporate resources. Toyota production system influences every aspect of Toyota's organization and includes a common set of values, knowledge, and procedures. At Toyota, the Kaizen methodology is applied based on three principal keys. Number one is the fives, and number two is the 5 Ys, and number three is TPS, that is Thinking People System. It's not just Toyota who are employing Kaizen in its business operation. Many of the world's largest and most successful companies, particularly in manufacturing, have been employing Kaizen to boost their efficiency and output. The kind of industry which benefit most of the Kaizen is manufacturing, finance, and operation. Thank you.
I would like to explain to you guys on how to implement Kaizen in manufacturing. We have two ways. For the first one is daily Kaizen, and the second one is Kaizen event. For the first one, when we talk about daily, we will automatically know it is being practiced daily and continuous. It holds the core concept of Kaizen, which is continuous improvement. The workers and the managers are practicing this way of Kaizen in their daily basis. These improvements are usually small and incremental and often the result of repeated PDCA cycle. Daily Kaizen is about teaching each employee to be mindful of how and why processes are producing particular outcomes and how they might be more efficient, faster, higher quality, and better for the customer. Daily Kaizen offers some distinct advantages, including every employee can be involved in Daily Kaizen. The second one, small but troublesome problems can be addressed. The third one, Daily Kaizen happens without disrupting other work. Next, there's no need to wait for a designated time to act. For the second one, which is Kaizen events, we know that this way is only being practiced in sporadic events. Usually, the workers and the managers use this method to tackle a serious issues and problem. They plan well from the beginning, middle, and end. During a Kaizen event, a small cross-functional team usually created to study the issues and brainstorming the potential solution. They focus 100% of their energy over a 2 to 5 day period to identify and execute improvements to a targeted issue or process. Kaizen events usually follow a similar format. The first one, participants identify and quantify a problem in the machine shop. The second one, brainstorm potential improvement, and the last one, report final result, and then determine any additional changes that can be implemented immediately or gradually related to the initial problem. When to use Daily Kaizen and Kaizen event? Daily Kaizen is essential for tackling small problems before they become big ones and for sustaining improvements that have been implemented. Making continuous improvement part of everyone's job forms the basis of Kaizen culture. While Kaizen events focus on more serious and critical issues, Kaizen events require a significant investment of human capital. The team puts their other work aside for 3 to 5 days to focus on the target process or problem. That's not trivial, so Kaizen events aren't always the right tool for the job, but here are some situations where they make perfect sense. For example, an immediate and relatively large breakthrough is needed to solve a particular problem. The second one, the issue is significant enough to temporarily divert resources from other tasks. The problem can reasonably be addressed in a short period of time, and you want to teach people how to improve using PDDSA, plan, do, study, act, cycle.
So what is 5S? 5S is a method or standardized process that when implemented properly will cause an organized, safe, clean, and effective workplace. So what is the relation between 5S and Kaizen? 5S is the foundational of Kaizen, and if you know that 5S is represent 5 Japanese words: Seri, Seiton, Seiso, Seiketsu, and Shitsuke. The first one is Seri or sort. In this phase, we're going to sort the unnecessary things and the necessary things. For the unnecessary things, we're going to take it off and probably dispose them. So why we do this? Because we want to simplify the inspection and we want to reduce the chance of distraction from the unnecessary items. So we're moving on to the second phase. In the second phase is Seiton or set in order. What that means? It means that we're going after we sort the items, we're going to arrange it. We need to arrange it in a place that we can easily access. We can easily take it.
The Toyota all members are always encouraged to participate in the development of ideas. This in order to create the best possible solution. Kaizen methodology needs logic and continuous assessment of what is going to be done. So, trend improvement is tested by questioning why at 5 levels. This system that became popular in 17 used by Toyota seek to find the main problem in an easy way. It then became from the idea that the answer to a problem always take you to another way and so on until to find the origin. Currently, the use of the 5 phase is used not only in Toyota but several companies in different areas outside the Kaizen, for example in Six Sigma. However, the 5 phase method is also criticized because it tends to find only one root cause of a problem, leaving aside other possible factors that might have affected in the current case of Toyota. This system is being used not only to solve conflict but to avoid creating new plans or change without sufficient justification. Thank you.
TPS, Thinking People System. Toyota believes that everyone can contribute their knowledge and skill. By TPS, it becomes possible for everyone to do their part and to be able to devise other solutions. That's why Toyota make a reunite all morning to be aware of what people need and suggest. Other initiative purpose by this system is that invite to be aware of the importance of the activity that each of one perform in the company and to think about the reason for the product is done. In addition, this TPS make Toyota staff feel more valuable and heard. To conclude, Kaizen in practice means that all team members in all parts of the organization are continuously looking for the way to improve operation, and people are at every level in the company support this process of improvement. Kaizen also requires the setting of a clear objective and target. It's very much a matter of positive attitude with the focus on what should be done rather than what can be done. Next, the Toyota production system invite the team member to think about the process and make timely decisions in order to keep it run smoothly. This involvement creates responsibility for the success of the process, increasing both morale and quality. This is also essential for the success of Kaizen. Besides that, Toyota company every morning have a meeting. It helps to be discuss quality deviation and eliminate their costs. Kaizen is not just only based on improvement being developed and implemented only by expert or management. It involves everyone relying on their extensive knowledge, skill, experiment of the people working directly in the process. For example, at the Europe Toyota Material Holding production site, about 3,000 proposals for improvement are making every year. That's why Toyota company is the best example for applying Kaizen for us to refer.